Okay, as many of you guys have heard, OpenAI is announcing its Stargate project. They announced this on January 21st, 2025, and it's a very, very lucrative and interesting project. It has a lot of big names, a lot of big company names, and you know, it's a big company. AI is the new revolution, and is an AI infrastructure for OpenAI. So Stargate Project is a company which intends to invest $500 billion over the next 5 years, building new AI infrastructure for OpenAI in the United States. As you guys know, this is very critical. This project is going to be funded by SoftBank. SoftBank is going to be funding this operation. Masayoshi Son will be the chairman. This is the chairman of SoftBank. Son is the chairman of SoftBank, and he will be the chairman of this new Stargate project. Companies that are technologically involved in this new operation is ARM, which we know when this news came about, all these companies, ARM, Microsoft, Nvidia, Oracle, they all seen a big increase in the stock market. We've seen a very, very big increase. As you guys know, I am a shareholder of Nvidia. I am a big believer of Nvidia, and I think it will do even better with this infrastructure in the coming up months and days. I'm also a big believer of Microsoft. I like all the Mac 7s, the Magnificent Seven companies. ARM and Oracles are also good companies. The British company is a good company, semiconductor company. Yeah, this invention will start in Texas. This is very critical, and it has caused problems with Elon Musk because, as you guys know, Elon Musk is enemies with Sam Altman, and Sam Altman is the CEO or the founder of OpenAI, which operates with ChatGPT, and this has caused caches of heads, a bump of heads in Twitter. As you guys see, OpenAI announced the Stargate project in Twitter, and Elon Musk, funnily, he replied to this and said they don't actually have the money. SoftBank has well under 10 billion secure. I have that on good authority. Man, my boy flexing on them. Man, this is very, very, very interesting stuff. And I think where he at? Altman replied to Musk and said, oh, right here. I lost it right here. I genuinely respect your accomplishments and think you are the most inspiring entrepreneur of our times. So Musk is saying you guys don't have the money to fund this, but I do. And he replies as a enemy of Elon Musk, and says he respects him. He's inspired by him. This is funny stuff, and I don't know what this could lead to. With Elon Musk and Sam Altman having a clash of heads. That's been going on for some time, and the reason for this is because Elon Musk was one of the founders, as you can see, founders of ChatGPT, OpenAI, and they started together. Elon Musk was one of the founders, but he went separate ways with Sam Altman because the company was supposed to be for non-profit, but Sam Altman now he wants it to be a for-profit company, Elon Musk doesn't seem to like this idea. So let's keep up there with this and see what happens. Also, the stock market has been going. Next topic: the stock market has been going up in recent times to record high demands. With Trump demands, let's see what Trump demands that led the S&P to new record highs. So Trump had this meeting in Davos, Switzerland. He did it virtually because he recently got inaugurated to be president of the United States. So he couldn't get to Switzerland on time. So he did it virtually. So US President Donald Trump addressed the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, virtually on Thursday. His speech said, Trump said he would demand the interest rates drop immediately. And this is very important stuff. Trump demands that the interest rates drop immediately, bringing down the oil costs. This is very important stuff. And as you can see, the S&P 500 reacted very positively with shares going up in value. This is interesting stuff, and I will keep in touch with this. And next topic, as you guys know, I'm currently building this account, this small account. I started with $1,000. I mean $2,000. The other $1,000 still hasn't deposited yet. I've been told that it will hit the account on Tuesday morning. And this account, I started it with $2,000. The 1,000 hasn't reached yet, but they gave me $1,000 to work with. And as you can see, I already have gained $82.85 in profits. I started with 1,000 January 2021, and it's already at $1,082. These are some of the companies that I'm holding. As you can see, like I was saying, I am a shareholder of NVIDIA. I am a big believer of this company, and I think it will keep on revolutionizing the AI new stuff, the AI revolution. And I currently have one share, which with a value of $162. I'm looking to build this. I'm looking to build more shares. I want to own 100 shares, but right now I don't have $14,000 to work with. So I'm gonna build this little by little. And NVIDIA is a company that I see at bigger prices with May or June, or by the end of the year, I see this company at a $200 level. So if you do the math on that, imagine owning 100 shares. NVIDIA goes to 200. The market value just keeps on going up, And I want to own 100 shares of this company. I want to buy it now that it's cheap and is undervalued, in my opinion. I also got shares of American Airlines. I own about 51 shares of American Airlines. Right now, this is just a short trade that I'm holding. I'm holding it for 1 or 2 days and waiting for price to go back in value. And once it goes back up in value, I will sell it. This will be a quick trade. So I bought 50 shares at an average price of $17. Probably will sell it when it reaches $18 or $19, make profits on that, and just keep building this small account till it reaches levels where I could buy shares of these companies. I also want to hold 100 shares of American Airlines, but this one will be easier to do. It's not that expensive. I want to hold 100 shares of American Airlines. I believe in this company. I believe this company is a strong company. It recently had its earnings, and it did all right. The earnings was right. The earnings were all right, but they went down a bit. They went down a bit due to the what was it due? I was reading about. It was due to, let me see. It's due because the company descended 9% yesterday after its plum forecast. Yeah, the forecast wasn't as good. It expected a loss for the quarter as the cost raced. Last quarter was bad, and Q4 profits surged and sales rose 5% for the year, notched a 54 billion in sales. So investors were a little bit disappointed, but that doesn't take away from the company being a strong company, being a good company. I see this company at $39 very soon, and if you own, I will get 100 shares before that. Before that, that's my goal, to own 100 shares. If you own 100 shares and you buy it at this levels right here, and let's say you go to the calculator, 100 shares times 39. So 100 shares and 39 is the value that you're expecting the company to go up to. It's $3,000 minus your initial investment of $16.99. 16. Say delete. How do I delete? 16.99. That would be a $2,201 investment and profits. This is good money. So if you hold 300 shares and more, that will be even better. The more shares you have, the more money and profits you will go. I see this company at even at $100 in the down in the future. I see this company going back to those pre-pandemic levels where it was at a very, very high price. See, I see this company going back to those levels, 50s and 40s. Yeah. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, comment down below for more videos like this. And I hope you guys have a good one. Hope your trades are a good one. And follow me for more. Thank you. God bless.